My go-to way for cooking a whole chicken is to slow cook it. This can be as simple as rubbing the chicken with salt, pepper, and olive oil and placing it in a slow cooker or Dutch oven, or you can add flavor according to what you have on hand. Fresh herbs, garlic, lemon, and butter work well in any combination. If you have dried herbs instead of fresh, that's great. Two of my favorite dried herbs for chicken are lemon pepper or one called Herb Fest. Fresh or dried herbs can be rubbed on the skin, put under the skin, or both. You can add olive oil or butter, as well as lemon. Then place your chicken in the slow cooker or Dutch oven. The time will vary depending on the size of your bird. A good rule of thumb is 300 degrees for about 3 hours in the oven, or 6 to 7 hours in a slow cooker on the low setting. Also keep in mind, when you slow cook a roast or a chicken, you can add vegetables like potatoes, onions, and carrots for an easy, complete meal. I'm tossing Yukon Gold potatoes along with carrots with salt, pepper, and olive oil. Whether beef or chicken, place the meat on top of the vegetables, and the broth of the meat will flavor the vegetables as it cooks. Leftover chicken can be deboned and used in anything from chicken salad to casseroles. Thanks for watching, and please hit the cupcake to subscribe.